In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Meta Business Suite app. Logging out might seem like a tiny action, but it's really important, especially if you manage business pages, ad accounts, or client data. Signing out properly helps protect your information, prevents other people from accessing your accounts on shared devices, and can even help when you're troubleshooting login issues. First, open the Meta Business Suite. If you're on a mobile device, tap the Meta Business Suite app icon to launch it. If you're following along in a browser instead, go to the Meta Business Suite website and sign in if you haven't already. Make sure you're on the main dashboard or home screen before you continue. You should see your business pages, notifications, and tools like inbox, posts, ads, and more. That's how you know you're in the right place. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile area. In the app, this will usually appear as your profile picture or a small user icon. On a browser, it may show your profile photo, your initials, or a circular avatar. Go ahead and tap or click on that profile icon. This is where Meta groups account options, including settings and the logout option. Once you tap your profile icon, a small menu will appear. Take a moment to look through the options so you get familiar with what's available there. But for now, focus on the option labeled Log Out. On mobile, you may need to scroll slightly within that menu if you don't see it right away. When you've found Log Out, tap or click it once. After you select Log Out, the app or browser will begin signing you out of your current session. In most cases, you'll be taken back to a login screen where you can enter your details again later, or switch to a different account if you need to. If you're on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to also close the app or browser tab once you've logged out, just for extra security. To double check that you've successfully logged out, look for the login page or a prompt asking you to sign in again. If you no longer see your business tools or notifications, that confirms you're signed out. And that's all you need to do. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and safely log out of the Meta Business Suite app whenever you're finished working.